Hi guys, it's me again, Phemz TV, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, is we're going to Ortigas because I'm going to Poea to get my information sheet. Okay, so see you there. So let's go.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling
A few moments later.
me around it. I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see.
Much later.
Nasaan kayo? Nawala. Nawala si Joking. Hanapin ko muna. Nawala. Saan ba yung tao?
Meanwhile,
Delingon!
Something I can't forget.
Hi guys, we are now going back home. Time right now is 10 o'clock. So, we're going back home. Punta kami sa may motor.
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard